Param Shanti to all the divine souls. Our salutations to beloved Bapuji and Brahmama. Our sincere obeisance and infinite thanks to Niduma. She has been one of the strongest pillars in helping us Behat souls to connect with the Almighty. She has put this Behat Gyan in the form of pictures to make all the souls aware of the inscrutable, invisible, divine world in a lucid manner. We express our sincere gratitude to Sakshi Didi on behalf of all the spiritual seekers for her invaluable contribution in designing the 10-day Behat Gyan course, which offers a glimpse into the profound knowledge graciously imparted by Bapuji. The creation is not limited to this earth or the solar system or to one galaxy or to one universe. It is vast, limitless, and boundless, incomprehensible by humankind on earth. The great-grandfather of this limitless creation, Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel, lovingly known as Bapuji, through his divine vision in superconscious state, has not only seen the numerous solar systems, galaxies, universes, multiverses, but also creations beyond the multiverse, that is also called Behat Ki Kala Ka Brahmand, that is, creations with unlimited and infinite power. Creation is such a wonderful and vast that it cannot be expressed by any number on this earth. Hence the word Behat is used to signify the limitless infinite creation. Bapuji, through his divine vision, has perceived the vast creations, in effect the entire unlimited creation of God. Welcome to the 10-day course of Behat Param Gyan. Param means which is above name, form, and beyond this world. The purpose of this 10-day course, prepared by Sakshi Patel, who is based in Ahmedabad, practicing meditation for the past 15 years, is to present the supreme divine knowledge realized by Bapuji in his divine vision in an organized manner and in an easy layman language for the benefit of the average spiritual seeker and mankind. It's important to note that such divine knowledge has not been taught by anyone till date, nor has it been written down in any of our ancient scriptures such as the Vedas, the Puranas, the Upanishads, or the Shastras. If you want to go in detail in the Behat Gyan given by Bapuji, please visit the YouTube channel by the name Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel, where Bapuji has given knowledge on various interesting topics and has revised the knowledge as per time. To listen to the daily divine messages given by Brahmama, please visit the YouTube channel Maa Ka Divya Sandesh. If you want to practice meditation, please visit Sakshi Patel's YouTube channel, which goes by the name Param Shanti Motivation and Meditation, where she conducts daily live meditation from 5:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. To know how people's lives have changed after listening to Behat Gyan and the amazing experiences shared by them, please visit the YouTube channel which goes by the name Spiritual Podcast with Anand. To listen to the Behat Gyan in English, please visit the YouTube channel Jill Patel. By the end of this 10-day course, you will get a fair picture of the following topics. Who am I? Types of souls. Layers covering Had and Behat souls. Time cycle on Earth. Present time on Earth. Correlation between time, space, speed, and power. Soul world. Karma, its types, and its connection with reincarnation. Quantum entanglement. Why was Earth and Sun created? Types of dissolutions or pralay. What is Kala? Time dilation. Great universes. Secrets of galaxy, universe and multiverse. Why did our multiverse fall down? Worlds beyond multiverse and its creators. Why is law of attraction, Darwin's theory of evolution and Big Bang theory all false? Who is the Almighty Authority? Journey of the Soul, and many more topics as well. This 10-day Behad Gyan course has 10 chapters in it. The course is designed in such a way that the depth of the concepts and their complexity increases with every chapter. Please note, we would request you to watch from chapter 1 of the video. Chapter 1, 2, 3 is the basic level, chapter 4, 5, 6 is the intermediate level, and chapter 7, 8, 9, 10 is the advanced level. So buckle up as we embark on a journey into the territory of the unexplored, guided by the limitless knowledge of the Behad Gyan given to us by Bapuji. Thank you. Param Shanti.